I know I posted a video just a couple days ago, but I'm just amazed at how these green beans have just popped up over the last couple days. And even my peas. Look at that. That is fabuloso. And even the cucumbers have really just popped up. But I'm going to tell you what happened to us. We have a pig that came into our yard. So upset, he dug it up. Tore up the yard. Look at this, everybody. Look at our yard. He was just having a heyday. Dug up all there. Our grass right here. And even along this area here, just dug it all up. So, any tips to keep these wild pigs away? I'll take it. Happy gardening, y'all.